It's a great way to save some money when you're changing out the bag on your dust collector. These 55-gallon contractor's bags by the big box store are about the same size as this. So I get these heavy duty ones and I reuse them. Take off the band, unhook it from the little spur things. And we got a little overfill, but slide this out. Still making a mess, but then I'll take the contractor's bag and I slip it over like this. Typically I would wear a dust mask while doing this, but you wouldn't be able to hear me talk, so then slide this bag nice and slowly. Now, this bag will go out to the compost pile, and I'll reuse the heavy duty bag. Again, I probably get 8 or 10 uses out of the bag before I finally end up getting rid of it. While they're not terribly expensive, it does save a little bit of money. Thanks for stopping by.